Hello students, today we are going to study a small topic called dual of a statement. So two compound statements, they are said to be duals of each other if one of them is obtained from the other by interchanging and with or with and T with C. T means tautology with contradiction or contradiction with tautology. Simple example of this is the P and Q and or Q. P disjunction Q, P conjunction Q. It is clearly seen that the symbol or in the first is replaced by and in the second. So these two statements are said to be duals of each other. In the second case, and is replaced by or and C is replaced by T, and this happens because they are C and T, contradiction and tautology, are duals of each other. Similarly, and or are duals of each other. So by using simple rule, we can write dual of the given compound statement easily. So whenever the compound statement contains the logical connectives, five logical connectives, the five means only and or and negation. First three logical connectives or T, C, T, truth value T, or truth value F. Then we can make use of this rule and we can write the dual of the given compound statement. And is to be in the first case, or is to be replaced by and. In the second case, and is to be replaced by or. Third, in the third row, T is replaced by C. Fourth row, contradiction is replaced by tautology. Then truth value T is replaced by truth value F. Next, truth value F is to be replaced by truth value T, but negation is not at all replaced. Negation in the given compound statement is never changed. It is kept as it is. This is very important, that negation is not to be replaced. All the other symbols can be replaced. Then we have two results. Dual of a statement is unique and dual of the dual is the original statement itself. Now in the next line we have two laws. These are De Morgan's laws. One is for the first one is for the and or, and the second one is for the and we know that they are duals of each other because negation is same on both the sides. And here and is replaced, and in the first statement and is on the right hand side, that is replaced by or. And or in the left hand side is replaced by and in the second. And in the first, which appears on the right hand side, is replaced by or. So this way we can write dual of the given statement very easily. Then we have some more examples, P or Q or R. So there are two or. So both the R's or are replaced by and. So dual is P and Q and R. Then second example, we have T or P or Q. Now here we replace T by C. Then or is replaced by and. Then again there is one more and or inside the bracket, that is changed to and. So this is the dual. C and P and Q is the dual of the given statement. Then in the third example we have not, negation of P and Q, or negation of Q and negation of P, then there is a printing mistake here. It's repeated. That is to be deleted. So that is a printing mistake. So when we write the dual, we keep these negations as they are. How many negations we have? Not 1, 2 and 3. 3 nots. So they are kept as it is. But here in the first bracket we have and, that is to be replaced by or, and in the second bracket we have again and, that is replaced by or, and middle one is or, that is to be changed to and. So this is the dual negation of P or Q and negation of Q or negation of P. Then in the next example, um, the given compound statement is written in its verbal form, and we have to find its dual. So first we write its symbolic form. Once we know the symbolic form, it is easy to write the dual. So first we find the symbolic form. The simple sentences are connected by the conjunction and. So we denote first by P and the second by Q. So first one is 13 is prime number is P, and India is a democratic country is the second prime statement, which is Q. So symbolic form of the given compound statement is P and Q, and therefore its dual is P and P or Q, which is its symbolic form. Dual. This is the symbolic form of the dual, and therefore its verbal form is 13 is a prime number, or India is a democratic country. Now these duals are very important in the study of mathematics, because by using duals we can easily translate concepts, theorems, or mathematical structures into another concepts, theorems, or mathematical structures in a one-to-one fashion. So their properties can be easily studied by comparing uh, each with the other. We can easily study their properties. This is a small topic. uh, Commerce students, they have to study exercise 1.7 on dual. So next time we are going to study negation of the compound statement. This is a small topic. Short answer question can be asked based on this dual. We are going to discuss questions and answers in shortly.